This is your lying banded overhead shoulder press. You're gonna grab a band. You're gonna start in your hook lying position with your band around the foot that the arm is working. So the arm that's working is the foot that it's banded around. So you're gonna start in this position. This is your hook lying position. I like it when your elbow can go through the band rather than the band being outside your elbow. That's gonna cause a weird movement pattern. So think elbow is gonna go right through your band and you pretend like you're holding a dumbbell right here up by your shoulder. I want neutral spine alignment so that full spine is gonna be connected to the floor, tilting that tailbone up off the floor, posterior pelvic tilt. I want your foot to have ground contact with the ground to help maintain control. The arm that's working is the leg that's gonna provide different resistance. So if you need more resistance when you overhead press, then I want you to bring your leg further away from you. Maintaining that control with your belly, breathing. Bringing it down. Think about a nice quality movement pattern. If it's too easy, leg further away. If it's too hard, move your leg further up. Lessen the resistance.